Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can download CapCut Pro for PC. So, you simply need to search for the Microsoft Store, open that, so once it is open, here on the top you can see search app, games, movies and more. So you simply need to search here CapCut and hit enter, and now you can see the first one is CapCut and it is a Pro version. So you simply need to click here and you need to download that. So I already download that onto my PC. So here you can see installed. So that's why I'm unable to install it now because I have this open. So this is the process how you can download CapCut Pro for PC. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.